Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be replacing the hood latch on a 2006 Honda Civic. This is for the 2006 to the 2011 and it's pretty simple. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can hop on Amazon, pick this up, have it at your house super quick, super easy, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so before we get started, we're actually going to have to remove this cover. I do already have it off because I have some other things that I've already been working on. But in order to do that, there's going to be like a little tab right there, and then also one on the end on each side. So once you remove those 4 tabs, then you're just going to essentially slide this out from under the arm right there, and then go ahead and set that aside. And then to remove the latch itself, there's actually going to be 3 bolts. There's going to be one here, here, and here. There's also going to be a plug right down here. So what I suggest is going ahead and removing that. There's like a little button that you can kind of push and separate this right here. There we go. And then there's actually a little tab that it's connected to. But in order to take this plug out on the back side, there's going to be 2 like little tabs. So let me see if I can get the camera kind of around here so you can see it right. There we go. Right there. There's going to be a little tab on the top and bottom. And let me set this back up. There we go. So you can just kind of pinch those together and push that right through. And there we go. That is now disconnected. So that's what that looks like. And now let's go ahead and take off those bolts. All right, and there's the last screw. Now we can go ahead and lift this up. And on the back side, this is actually one of the things that did break for me, is where like the little cable is supposed to be connected to. So in order to get this out, the cable, this little blue piece actually did break. So this should sit right there, and then I don't know if you can kind of see the tip of it. That should be connected on the front. So what you do is you kind of push that kind of up, and it pops it out of like that little notch. And then you're going to kind of push that in and kind of work it down and around to get that out. There we go, just like that. So now we can go ahead and grab the new one. And then in my case, I'm not actually going to put it in just quite yet because I do need to get the cable fixed. But in order to install it, you're gonna kind of get it right up under here. And then you're gonna pull it to where that little ball is seated right there. And then you're gonna take that side, bring it over, and then clip it down into that little notch right there. And then you can go ahead, flip it back around, put it in place, put the 3 bolts in place, and then go ahead, take that plug it back in, and connect that back to the frame. Alright, so if this video helped you guys out, put down in the comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you have any other questions or concerns, put those down there as well. And like I said, in the description, I'm going to have a link to the part if you guys want to pick it up on Amazon. You can have it at your house quick and easy, and it's pretty reliable. But if you guys did like the video, make sure you get on and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.